disaster. Hey, we're the Bells. I'm Dana and this is my husband Jade. Alongside our two girls, we're chasing a different kind of dream, pursuing a life full of purpose, enriching experiences, family, and freedom. Together, we're creating a life we never need a vacation from. We're so glad you found us. Join us today as we head to Japan and survive one of our longest, most exhausting travel days. This video marks the beginning of our series highlighting our family trip to Japan, and you're invited to join our journey. We'll be sharing insights and planning tips throughout that we hope will inspire you and help you plan your travels to Japan. As is the case with all of our family travels, as our departure date approached, it was time for me to get my bag and the girls' bags packed. We're usually on team carry-on, and that was the case with this trip as well. So between vacuum bags and packing cubes, I had to figure out how to finagle all of our clothes, shoes, and toiletries into one carry-on and one personal item per person. It's always easier said than done, especially because I have a tendency to overpack. So I usually start packing a week to several days before our departure date. On the other hand, Jave usually packs the day before, and he always has extra room in his bag. So we are headed to DC, Arlington actually, to check into our hotel. We made a plan this morning to leave at, what time did we say we were going to leave? By noon. We were going to leave the house by noon.
That didn't work out.
That didn't work out at all. I don't know what it is with us, but it seems like every time we set a goal to leave the house by a certain time, we could just add on like 3 or 4 hours after that, and that's the time that we're actually going to leave. It's so hard to get out of the house when we're traveling for whatever reason. I don't know what it is. I guess it's like last minute decisions about should we bring this or bring that, or you know how it is, or cleaning the house and
what snack to bring.
Yeah, packing
kids.
Snacks, and then like last minute errands. We had to go and run a few last minute errands. So what time did we actually get on the road? We didn't get on the road.
After 5.
Yeah, after 5 o'clock. We said we would leave by noon.
Yeah.
It is now after 5 o'clock. I mean, well, we left after 5 o'clock. It's now, what time is it? 8:30. And we are still an hour and a half away from our hotel. So yeah, we're gonna stop soon and get something to eat, and check into our hotel, try to get a good night's sleep, because tomorrow we have a very long travel day. So yeah,
Stay tuned for the rest of it.
Yeah, stay tuned. Before checking into our hotel in Arlington, we picked up a pizza so that we could relax and eat dinner in our room. The next morning, after breakfast at our hotel, we headed to the airport to drop off our rental car before catching the first leg of our journey to Chicago. We just dropped off our rental car at the airport, and disaster. Garcelle has left her blankie somewhere. I don't think she left it at the hotel when we were at breakfast. And I'm not sure if it's in the rental car. Jave is going back to the rental car to look for it. But anyway, we're just waiting for her blankie to hopefully be found, fingers crossed, because this could make or break our trip if the blankie is not found. Please, God, help us find the blankie.
Yes, help us find the blankie.
A fun long walk to our terminal with heavy bags and a stroller and tired children. Fun times. By the time we boarded our flight to Tokyo, we were all exhausted, and I was grateful Jave sat next to the girls for the long haul to Japan. We really enjoyed the service on Japan Airlines. The crew offered friendly service and they fed us about 3 meals and a snack during our nearly 14-hour flight to Tokyo Haneda Airport. But most importantly, the flight was very smooth. Once we arrived to Tokyo, we were tired and didn't feel like dealing with all of our bags on the metro, so we paid 9,340 yen, about 57 USD, to take a cab to our hotel in Koto City. We checked in at Tokyo Bay Shiomi Prince Hotel. For the most part, we enjoyed our 5-night stay there. The pros: our rate included breakfast. The hotel is located near a handful of restaurants and is right across the street from Shiomi Station, where we caught the metro each day. And there's a Family Mart convenience store, which you can access from inside the hotel. The con: over time, we noticed a pissy smell in our bathroom. I think it was the fancy toilet because family traveling with us noticed the same smell in their bathroom. Before getting too comfortable in our room after check-in, we headed across the road for dinner to a cute little burger spot right on the water called Shiomi Skippers. We just checked into our hotel and the kids are tired, so we came across the street to this place called Shiomi Skippers, where they sell, they're known for burgers. So we ordered some burgers, we're waiting for our order, and the girls, they fell asleep at the table. But anyway, this restaurant's really cute, I have to show you. Burger with truffle fries, and Jade got a bacon jalapeno burger with regular fries, which he was going to share with Garcelle, but she's knocked out. Both of the kids are knocked out. She doesn't even feel like eating her burger, and I even ordered her a soda, which I never do. But I figured we're in Tokyo, so we can have a soda. But she's too tired to enjoy it, so whatever. Bon appetit. Overall, the staff there were very nice and welcoming, and the food was decent. The waitress encouraged me to step out on the back patio to take pictures, and it was quite dark and eerily quiet out there. We just left the cutest little burger joint in Tokyo, first night in Tokyo. Celeste is tired and out of it. But yeah, the burger was different. It had, what was it? It was made with real steak, Jade? And instead of ground beef, which was different, but it was well seasoned. It was tasty, a little pricey, but it was quick and convenient near our hotel, so no complaints. First night in Tokyo. Be sure to subscribe, like, and comment, and stay tuned for more videos in our Japan series. See you in the next one.